Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Vortex 6-quart Air Fryer Combo. We already love the Instant Pot, so it's no surprise that Instant Brands churned out another winning product with the Instant Vortex. During our tests, we found this air fryer cooked with more power than the others, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although it's no louder than a microwave. We also loved the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken. The interface on the Instant Vortex is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. It also has a sleek angular look that you won't mind seeing on your countertop every day.
Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. If you're looking for a powerful air fryer and insist on a dehydrate function, the Instant Vortex Plus is for you. Like our favorite Instant Vortex, the Plus model is designed with a roomy basket and a sleek exterior. The interface on the Instant Vortex Plus is also very user-friendly, with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings, and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. We found the dehydrate function perfectly dried fresh strawberries, and we could see it working well on other produce. The one downside of the model is the broil function, which is preset at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. We tested out broiling mac and cheese topped with extra cheese and breadcrumbs, and found that neither brown.
Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. While the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a more mid-sized machine at a lower price point, we found in testing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is worth the extra money and space it occupies. The digital interface makes it an intuitive machine with 13 preset functions including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, proof, dehydrate and warm. The rack levels are printed right on the door for ease of use. This model does a preheat cycle for most settings, which is an additional step and takes a few extra minutes, but it adds a level of precision in the cooking not seen in many of the other machines. This did every task perfectly and in a short amount of time. It has a spring-loaded door, which takes a minute to get used to, but then is a nice feature. Like the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, it comes with a 13-inch nonstick pizza tray, wire rack, broiling rack, 9x13 enamel roasting pan, air fry basket and crumb tray, and has additional accessories for purchase: bamboo cutting board, pizza stone and pizza crisper pan. The oven will also fit standard 9x13 casserole dishes and a quarter sheet pan, which gives it versatility to cook many things. You could also fit a standard 5-quart Dutch oven in this machine, if you wanted to. It also comes in several finishes, so can really be purchased to match your kitchen and decor. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer. If you're already an air fryer convert, then you know how diverse they are. Perhaps it's time to take it to the next level. Enter the slim-profiled Ninja Foodi with its double 4-quart baskets. Take advantage of Foodi's Smart Finish feature. Finish 2 different foods cooking at different times and temps at the same time. Think chicken breasts and French fries, they did great in our tests. Or the match cook setting for larger amounts of the same food, or cook different foods using the same function, temperature and time. The Foodi also dehydrates in addition to broil, bake and roast. Number 5. Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. This model is sturdy, compact and feels like it's made of quality materials, a boon when a lot of air fryer models can feel like they are made of flimsy plastic that gets too hot to touch. At 4 quarts, this model is the ideal size for cooking for 2 people and cooked all the foods we tested to a beautiful golden brown and with crisp texture. Its handy, multifunction display gives it a more functional appearance than that of a futuristic robot. Plus, you can dehydrate with this model, which slows the heated air that circulates around the food so it gradually dries out kale, apple slices and more for healthy fruit and veggie chips and other dehydrated foods.